Meal supplement shakes have come a long way from the chalky powders of the past. In 2026, they're more than just convenience. They're full meals designed to save time, support balanced nutrition, and help with everything from energy levels to portion control. But with so many formulas, formats, and flavors out there, it's hard to know which ones are actually worth it. In this video, we're breaking down the top 6 best meal replacement shakes for 2026, covering key features, nutrition stats, and who each one is best for. Product links for everything mentioned are in the description below. Number 6. Huel Black Edition Flavored Variants Powder. If you're looking for a high-protein, lower-carb shake that still delivers on flavor, Huel Black Edition is a solid starting point. This version comes in several flavored options like banana, salted caramel, chocolate, and coffee caramel, each one designed to taste a little more like a treat without giving up nutritional depth. Each serving comes in around 400 calories with 40 grams of protein, 17 grams of carbs, 9 grams of fat, and about 7 grams of fiber. It's also packed with 26 essential vitamins and minerals, so it covers your bases if you're using it as a full meal. There are no artificial sweeteners, and it's fully vegan and gluten-free, which makes it one of the more accessible choices out there. The taste varies slightly between flavors, but most lean toward mild and earthy rather than dessert sweet. They blend best in a shaker bottle or with a blender. If you just stir it into water, expect a little chalkiness. That said, with the right ratio and a good shake, it mixes smooth enough to sip on the go. This version of Huel Black is great for people who want something lower in carbs than standard meal replacements but still want flavor variety without needing to add extras. The only real drawback is price, especially if you're not buying in bulk, and flavor preference is personal, so it may take a few tries to find your favorite. Number 5. Orgain Perfect Meal Powder. Orgain Perfect Meal is a balanced, mid-range shake that aims to combine good nutrition with easy flavor. It's an organic-based powder that comes in both grass-fed whey and plant-based versions, giving users the flexibility to choose depending on dietary preferences. Each serving clocks in around 230 to 250 calories and includes 20 grams of protein, 5 grams of fiber, and added probiotics for digestion. It also includes a blend of organic greens, superfoods, and a full range of vitamins and minerals, which adds nutritional value beyond just the macronutrients. What stands out here is the simplicity. It mixes well in water or almond milk, and the texture is smooth, not too thick, not too watery. The flavor is mild and slightly sweet, making it a good fit for users who don't like overly rich or artificial tastes. Popular flavors include vanilla bean and chocolate fudge, both of which are easy to drink daily without getting tired of them. Orgain Perfect Meal is best suited for beginners or more casual users, people who want a once-a-day shake that's reliable, easy to mix, and pleasant to drink. It's not trying to be the most protein-heavy or calorie-dense shake on the market, but it covers the basics well. The main limitation is that it's slightly lower in protein than some of the other options on this list, and depending on your needs, it may require pairing with a small snack to feel like a complete meal. Still, for the price and ingredient quality, it's a strong pick. Number 4. Orgain 30-gram high-protein ready-to-drink shake. If you're looking for pure convenience without giving up a solid protein hit, Orgain's 30-gram high-protein ready-to-drink shake is worth a look. It comes in shelf-stable cartons, ready to go straight from the fridge or even straight out of your bag. No scooping, no shaking, no prep. Each carton delivers about 250 calories with 30 grams of protein, just 4 grams of carbs, 1 gram of sugar, and around 140 milligrams of sodium. The protein blend is made up of milk protein concentrate and whey protein isolate, which helps with quick digestion and muscle recovery, especially useful after a workout or during a busy day. The texture is smooth and creamy, though the sweetness level is a bit higher than average. That's most noticeable in the vanilla bean and chocolate fudge flavors, which lean toward dessert-like. Still, they're easy to drink and don't leave a chalky aftertaste. This shake is best suited for gym-goers, travelers, or anyone who needs a quick protein source during the day without stopping to mix a powder. It fits easily into a gym bag or glove compartment and has a long shelf life, so you can stock up without worrying about it going bad. The only drawback is that it isn't a full meal replacement. It doesn't offer the complete vitamin or mineral profile found in full nutrition shakes, so it works better as a high-protein supplement rather than a standalone meal. But for what it offers, convenience and solid macros, it delivers exactly what most people need. Number 3. Orgain Organic Vegan Meal Replacement Powder. For those following a plant-based diet or avoiding common allergens, Orgain's Organic Vegan Meal Replacement Powder offers a well-rounded, dairy-free option. It's fully vegan, soy-free, and certified USDA organic, making it one of the more accessible picks on the market for people with dietary sensitivities. Each serving provides around 230 to 250 calories with 20 grams of protein and 5 to 7 grams of fiber. The protein comes from a blend of pea, brown rice, and chia seeds, designed to provide a complete amino acid profile while remaining gentle on digestion. It also includes an organic greens blend, probiotics, and digestive enzymes, giving it a little more than just the basic macronutrients. The taste leans earthy and natural, especially in the vanilla and chocolate varieties. It's not overly sweet and doesn't have that artificial aftertaste you find in some meal powders. However, the texture can be slightly gritty depending on how it's mixed. Using a blender helps, but even then, it won't be quite as smooth as whey-based shakes. This shake is a solid choice for vegan users or anyone looking for a meal that digests a bit slower and includes more whole food-based ingredients. It's also a good pick for people who prefer a shake with minimal processing and recognizable ingredients. The main downside is texture, especially if you're used to the ultra-smooth finish of whey. And for some, the more natural flavor profile might take a few tries to get used to. But overall, it checks a lot of boxes nutritionally. Number 2. Huel Black Edition, ready to drink. If you want the full meal shake experience without the hassle of mixing powder, Huel Black Edition ready to drink delivers just that. It's based on the same macro profile as the powder version but comes fully prepared in a bottle. Just shake it and drink. No scooping, no cleanup, and no guesswork. Each 500 milliliter bottle provides around 400 calories with 39 grams of protein, 22 grams of carbs, 9 grams of fat, and 8 grams of fiber. Like the powdered version, it includes all 26 essential vitamins and minerals, making it a complete meal in terms of nutrition. It's available in several flavors, including vanilla, chocolate, salted caramel, and iced coffee caramel. The texture is slightly thicker than most ready-to-drink shakes and can feel a bit grainy, especially if it's been sitting for a while. Giving the bottle a good shake before opening helps improve consistency. This format is best for users with packed schedules, commutes, office meetings, road trips, or gym sessions. It's a true grab-and-go option that doesn't compromise on macros or fullness. You'll stay satisfied for hours without needing to prep anything. The biggest trade-off here is cost. It's more expensive per serving than the powdered version, and because it's a bottled liquid, it takes up more space for storage. If you're ordering in bulk, that can be a consideration. Still, if convenience is your top priority and you want a complete meal without the effort, this is one of the best ready-to-drink options on the market. Number 1. Huel Black Edition Powder. Taking the top spot on this list is Huel Black Edition Powdered, mainly for its balance of nutrition, flexibility, and value. It's a fully complete meal replacement shake that you can mix with water, plant-based milk, or blend into a smoothie. Whether you're replacing breakfast, lunch, or both, it's built to keep you full and fueled without needing anything extra. Each serving delivers around 400 calories, 40 grams of protein, 17 grams of carbs, 9 grams of fat, and 7 grams of fiber. On top of that, it includes a full spectrum of 26 vitamins and minerals, making it a complete nutritional meal. The protein blend includes pea and rice, providing a solid amino acid profile without dairy or soy. One of the reasons it stands out is the flexibility. You can easily adjust your serving size depending on how hungry you are, and there are over 10 flavor options to keep things interesting. Flavors like peanut butter, coffee caramel, cinnamon roll, and unflavored give you room to personalize with fruits, nut butter, or other mix-ins. In terms of preparation, a blender gives the best result, but a shaker bottle works well too, especially if you use cold water and let it chill. The texture is slightly gritty compared to traditional whey shakes, but it's consistent and easy to get used to. This is ideal for daily users or anyone watching macros closely. The only real downside is flavor fatigue if you stick to the same one too long. Rotating flavors or adding mix-ins helps with that. But overall, this is the most complete and practical meal shake out there right now. Each of these shakes serves a different need. Some are best for plant-based diets, others are perfect for busy mornings or full nutrition on the go. Let us know in the comments which one you're using or what you're still looking for in a meal shake. If you found this helpful, give it a like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.